Hello, this is my room. 2722, all the twos. And here's my room key. Here's my room key. Presents. And here we go, room. There's Paul. He's not staying with me, but we had a nice time going to the Lord's together. And that's what's doing in case of the fire. There's a map of how to get out. That's very useful. And the first thing on the left is the bathroom. This is a nice bathroom. And there's me. Got drinks to floss. I'm not unpacked yet, so I'm going to do a pre-packed room tour. Pre-unpacked, rather. And this is a nice walk-in shower. It's a good decent size. I'd say the other hotel room deals, you can probably get like 3 or 4 people in here. That's walking me in, by the way, that reference. So it's like a shader. And this is somewhere to put all your things. There's an ironing board, there's a safe, hangers, coat hangers, and some storage up there. And an iron, that's useful. And this is like, I bought that. You get 3 complimentary drinks, tea and coffee, and a drink, I just did that. It's my luggage for the old taxi. And there's Paul, he's like the room model, you know. And this is the bed with all my foxes, as you be. Hello! That's all my camera equipment. Whee! Oh, that's nice and soft. I think that's a comfy to sleep in later. And we choose this superior wrong room for you, because this is the epic view you get. And here...
It's dark skies.
What?
Some dark skies.
Dark skies, yeah. There's a Qantas plane, there's a Virgin, oh yeah, they're building something there.
Raiders go back to crossing us.
I think they're starting on that new bit of terminal, that's what they're doing.
Oh, there's shells full of them.
More planes there, Air India, that you've noted. All United. Place of the calling. The Premier Inn is just about over there. Oh, you can see the Premier Inn, you can see the Twiley thing. That's where I used to stay. And now I'm over here. And that Twiley thing's not underway at all now.
It's got south-east anyways now, so...
Yeah, and there's 2 F-80s over there. And I don't know down to the moment. Let's see, one plane might come past here. Probably more planes doing soon. Because it's cloudy. It's, when I get thunderstorm, that'd be quite cool. Yeah, this is a nice chair to sit on. You get a nice comfy chair. You got plenty of charging points. There's 2 there. There's 1 there.
It's not charging very well though here.
Oh well, no. That 1 there. And there's no charging points there. You got a drawer. Oh, that's cool. You got the Book of Mormon. And you got the Bible in case you want to read, in case you're bored of doing to read. And you got a Renaissance tent. That's cool. You can write notes. And a phone to call reception. And it works. It sure does. Can they sure don't accidentally ring them. And I can turn this light off because it's not. Oh, look, a reading light. Yay! But how do you turn off the reading light? Yeah, see. I think you do that's because you don't need the reading lights in the daytime. Yeah, let's do the TD test. I know Paul's already tested it earlier.
Yes, it does work.
Here's the TD test, the Samsung. Welcome to Renaissance, and it's a 30 badge.
What have they got on?
I was 10, it's not 30.
It's the Queen's Club.
You got channels, you got Superworm. Oh, Royal Ascot. And Florida Bed, that's the long UK Strongest Land, that's pretty Paul. Well, the number 1 person's called Paul, it's not you though. Anyway, that's the channel, because we got that works. There. You got a trash bin for trash. You got a thing to put your lucky jump. And this is my nice hotel room. And there's Paul. Paul lives in Felton, so he's just here for the day. We went to the mod shop, bought some nice novels. I bought this one. And Paul's just checking out Twitter. As you do. You've got to check your social medias. That was the rental. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye.